This is Danny with Travel with D&D, and here's Dawn with the captain of the Azamara Onward, who was having dinner the same night as we were in the patio. We're going to show you the patio, we'll show you the Onward shop, and we'll show you the guest laundry next on Travel with D&D. This is Danny with Travel with D&D, and on board the Azamara Onward. This is the outside burgers and called the Patio, and this is open for lunchtime, sometimes at dinner. So here's the seating area right here. Nice space right outside the Windows Cafe on deck number 9. It's covered in case it rains. We're having dinner tonight in the Patio grill, and I'll tell you what, when you're sitting up here, it smells like a grill cooking on the patio. So they definitely picked a great name for this restaurant right here. So definitely good place, Patio Grill. And it's right off the pool here on deck number 9. And they got all the tables set up nice and neat. There's only 2 or 3 though that are full here tonight. But it's sit down service and everything. They take care of you here.
So we have a broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini.
Broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. Okay.
And this is the frozen yogurt station called Swirl Top. The right is chocolate, the center is chocolate vanilla, and the left is vanilla. And it is really, really good. I mean, if it wasn't good, I wouldn't tell you it's good. And then they have the different toppings over here, so you can go ahead and add your toppings onto your frozen yogurt. It's actually, and here's your cups and your spoons right here. So it's actually very, very good. Really enjoyed it. Oh, and here's you've got cones over here too. So you can have the cones or you can have the cups. So here it is, barbecue time again, because it's early. Early departure means barbecue on the deck. All the goodies you could want. Look at this stuff. Look at it all. Interesting thing they did in port today. We're in Isles de Santos off Guadalupe, and they call this the Patio Barbecue. So they actually have it all outside here. We've got potato salad, coleslaw, knockwurst, mac and cheese, lamb T-bone, jerk spiced chicken. Look, we got it all. Seafood skewer. So all this right here on the Azamara Onward. Thanks, you guys. Appreciate it. And then they got the seats set up everywhere. So you can. There's some people sitting on the stage here even. And then in the front, barbecue. Some footage here of the gift shops. This is the Onward shop that is on the Azamara Onward with clothing. Mostly clothing there. Watches. This is the 7th floor. Guest laundry. It's open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And let's see, we got 4 washers. And you got 4 dryers. But one of them's out of service, so you got 3. So there's 0 charge. And I'll tell you what, 3 of the washers are in use. One of them is available. So a lot of these people, we know how to scarf up a good deal. Here's 4 more here. So got 8 washers and 8 dryers. And then you've got a place to use the iron here. Kindly push the button to start the iron. The button is the timer for the iron. Thank you. Refrain from washing shoes in the guest laundry. Okay, so don't do that. And then you've got a little sink here. You know what I don't see? Oh, there they are, detergent pods. So let's say little liquid pods. They've got P&G, Procter & Gamble. 1 detergent pod for 1 load of clothes. Thank you. If required, use the step ladder. Well, that's probably a good idea. That's probably a good idea, use step ladder. Now, I don't know where the step, oh, there it is. Boom. So if you got to get up into these higher dryers, you got that. So this is Danny with Travel with D&D, coming to you from the Azamara Onward. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.